Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
That should protect you from baths. To get rid of the suds, add a quarter Tupperware tup, too. You still might have a problem.
Damage. You still may have damage.
Damage it. Even if you didn't find a wiring failure before, you still might have danger. Now, here's some tips on preventing
Arc and burn marks in the future.
arc and burn marks in the future. I forgot what I was preventing.
I know.
Always forget to put the heat shrink on.
Always remember to put the heat.
Hi, this is Captain Morgan here. Hand wash these items instead.
Good, but you gotta wash.
Wash. The dishes rely on the heat retained in the wash and rinse cycles to help them dry. Wash. Oh. Missing my nap time, you know. Subscribe and we'll let you know when we post new videos.
Perfect. Once more.
No.
Perfect. Can you try that one more time?
No.
Good. Once more.
No.
Good. One more time.
I knew you'd say that. Hi, this is Wayne with Sears PartsDirect. I'm laughing. Hi, this is Wayne. Stop laughing.
Spin or drain water. As quick as you use.
And quit it.
You'll need to monitor your water temperature limit.
The high temperature.
Thermostat. Power. Of course, the first thing to check is your power source.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos here on the YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Please. And check out Facebook too.